seconds. I want to see if this previous day low clears. Can we take this low out over here? test and see here on the 5 minute. And I like shorts because 4 hour starting to break. I like this target right here in this area. Michigan. Let this Michigan report digest a little bit. Michigan getting at 4.2%. The forecast was 4.6%. Consumer expectations are up a little bit. Consumer sentiment is up a little bit. Inflation expectations came down a little lower. It's actually pretty good. Okay. Oh, you're waiting for me to talk. Alright. So, we had this inversion, you know, we took out this low and reversed it. I want to get back to this 300 area for longs. If we never get back there and we just go and take this high out, I'll look for shorts up here. Might not even give us a freaking retest here, just a fucking straight shoot up to 420. How's that? Des? My mic's on. Hello. I'm barely talking. It's weird. It's all the way up. It's all the way up. It's weird. Is that better? It's all the way up. I don't know.
Yeah,
Hello.
I can hear myself better than I can hear you
What?
on your YouTube.
What do you mean you can hear yourself?
I'm on your YouTube, I can hear myself.
You can?
Yeah, like mic'd up.
What the hell?
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty sick. For whatever reason. You get on Discord, you hear it. What are you watching? I can't hear you.
No, I want to pull back to this like 300 area for longs. Otherwise, if we take out this high and just reverse this opening high like 390 area, we can continue to sell off.
You want to pull back to 300 for a lot?
Yeah. Mhm.
Oh damn, I'd be that wouldn't be giving you like a short thesis.
But yeah, if we take out this
41 400.
yeah.
It does look like it's setting up. You took any trades yet?
Mm-mm.
Eli, you still in? Eli's out. Okay, good shit. 33%, 105. There you go. Good shit, Eli. What you're using? What is that? Tradeify or Tradeovate? You said
Hmm.
a lot of people are using that now.
Yeah, it's a little cleaner. I like how I can move my chart around like without having to double click to zoom out and then selecting the area I want to zoom into. Just with this.
This is a weird area to be in.
Yeah, I think this is where we sell off into 300 area. I want to take shorts, but I just don't want to fight this trend. Michigan report says way higher. I'm also 2 days from a payout, so I don't want to fucking fuck up.
Small win, ball take it. Small wins, total big wins. That's $100 win. That's good, bro. On Robinhood, I don't know how your account is, but you be trading on Robinhood a lot, bro. You got 25K in there or what? How you be doing that, bro?
Oh, I didn't even know you freaking typed in there.
You don't see the
I
message?
see it now. I see it. Yeah. I didn't have my my Streamlabs open.
Yeah. Stocks and Glocks, baby.
Volume's dying down up here.
Cash account, I miss my trade, so I don't overtrade. There you go. That's smart. Yeah, don't really trust this, but if we start breaking out, we will start breaking out. You know what I
Mm-hmm.
mean? That's what's kind of breaking. NQ's barely holding on too. Hmm. NQ 4 hours barely holding on. We really need to push. 21, 329. What's NQ at right now?
21375.
Yeah. Don't really trust it. Let's see though. What are you doing right now? What's your? Oh, you're just looking at the chart. I mean, at the calendar. What is that from? Traded it?
Trading view. I just
Trading view?
click this and it shows everything. Damn, there's 840 earnings today. Holy shit. That's insane.
I thought earnings was done.
It says right here, Friday, 840 earnings. I mean, it's
Oh, I guess from just
everything,
else.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's insane.
It's not big names we don't know.
No.
What are you leaning more towards?
I'm leaning more towards shorts up here.
Same.
On the 5 minute, the pre-market high is all the way at like 420. But on this 1 minute right here, the opening high, basically, 390. I just want to. What I would like to see is like a push into this 390 and like a strong rejection candle. Might not get there though. It might just reject in this area.
That's what I'm thinking.
But I'm waiting for like this 350 to clear down, and then take shorts down to previous day low, which is 300.
We just don't want to use this 589.24 as support. That's the only of the day. Is this yesterday's close for NQ? Is that yellow line?
Yeah.
Basically.
That's the one thing I haven't been able to find a good indicator for on here is.
The close of the.
Yeah. See, I got the previous day high low and previous week high low on here, but because it's on NQ, the day starts at a different time. It starts at 3 p.m. technically a new day,
Uh,
but it's not a big deal. Like I can pretty much see it anyway. Just, okay, here's a new high. See if it sweeps.
yeah, getting a little weak again.
This is for the opening high, basically.
We just need to break this 589.24. Fuck is Tony? What you got planned this weekend?
Nothing.
Just chilling.
Yeah.
A little bit of a push. It's gonna give us one direction. I just don't know which one. you're 2 days away from a payout from FFF.
Yeah.
Nice. This gonna be your first round again or not?
Yeah.
The wait.
Yeah. It's been a fucking struggle, man. May has probably been the worst month I've had trading in a long time.
This May or just all of them?
No, this May.
Let me see. The Knicks pulled off something yesterday. A little something.
Yeah, they fucking won it. If anyone could come back from 3-1, I think it's them because they just. Well, I mean, they're the only team left, but. But I mean, like, I just mean like the way they play.
Just the charisma.
Every game between them has been pretty like down to the wire. Besides this one, which was a blowout.
That's good for me.
So if they can go to Indiana and go down to the wire, I don't know, man. Game 7.
Crazy, bro. Has that ever happened?
What?
A 3-1 comeback?
Yeah, the Cavs did it, and the Warriors did it.
Oh, they did, huh?
Same year. Or back.
Same year?
No. So the Warriors did it against So the Warriors did it against OKC in 2016, and then the Cavs did it to the Warriors in 2016 in the finals. I don't count the Cavs one though. Fuck them.
Do you think who has a better chance? Person OKC, Pacers, or Knicks?
Honestly, man, I think the Knicks.
Knicks.
Yeah. Well, actually, I don't know, man, because one thing about the Knicks, their coach doesn't play the bench. Tom Thibodeau's always been, he runs the stars like 40 minutes a game, 45 minutes, like, he's been like that since Chicago. Like every team he's coached, he has them running long minutes and barely plays anyone off the bench, maybe 2 people. But OKC likes to play literally like 10 people. So I don't know. Indiana might survive longer because
Is it because he doesn't have a good bench, or
he does. He's pretty stubborn with like running his starters.
Cause isn't it like I mean, you'll get tired, bro.
Yeah.
We just tested that 13. We're kind of pushing up now. It's at 400. We'll get a sweep right here. We're gonna come down. So if we start breaking. This is the last day of the trading month, at least.
Yeah.
Now coming back down a bit. Do you like that initial kind of pop up and then coming
Yeah.
down now?
Yeah, I
For
wanted
shorts?
to. See, I don't like this bounce right here.
We still have. Oh, this is a new candle.
I still want us to clear like 55.
55.
Yeah.
Okay, so that basically the EMAs.
Yeah. You know what's weird? My Discord doesn't play the sounds anymore. Like I'm hearing that coming and going from your mic.
Mm-hmm.
I don't
Really?
know what I did, but it's there's no sound anymore for me.
What the hell?
I don't know if it's because I'm
Streaming?
streaming or not, but it doesn't play that sound anymore.
Even when you're not streaming?
I don't know. I haven't tried it when I'm not.
Why is breaking down? That's supply puts too. I didn't fucking take it. That's why it looks like it's breaking down, for sure. I might be early, but I grabbed some shorts on NQ.
Good.
Yeah.
I want to, I just don't know where I would put my stop. That's why. I'll start seeing the 4 hour. Yeah, come on, this is what I'm looking for. I want to start seeing this 55 clear.
Damn, that would've been good for my fucking spy. Yeah, 245. I had them at 212. Fuck.
You sold them or what?
No, I didn't get in. I was
Oh.
waiting. I saw like a little red candle, and I kind of pushed it up to like 218. I was like, let me see if I can get back down. I never did. I don't like this little pop-up real fast. But this might be the entry, actually, huh?
Yeah, let's see if we can.
But it touched that 55. I don't know. I might have gone too early. Can't even keep track with what's happening on the terrace right now, too, bro.
Yeah, me either.
We did get a golden cross on these EMAs, though. So if we hold this, we definitely could start pushing back up. Especially with that golden cross. If we can't.
press fucking short, bro.
Right there.
Yes, it was near my entry. Well, because we got to that 55 and then
Yeah. You think we're gonna break down?
I think so.
The spy looks like it. Did you get it? Did you get in? Did it reach back in? Or no?
I want to get in, but just
Don't force it.
I'm not. Yeah, break this 50 to 55. Break down here.
Stop.
There we go. Okay.
There we go.
Just want to see.
I need a full fucking breakdown though.
Mm-hmm.
When would you collect?
Uh, I would, I would at least try to get to like this 320 area.
20. EMAs. Could that been have a sweep to the upside, you think?
Um, what do you mean, like a sweep of that low and then move up?
That, yeah.
Could
Yeah.
be. But let's see. Look at this 5 minute. There's just no volume on this 5 minute yet.
Come down, come on. Come on. Come on, you son of a... You still on YouTube?
Yeah. Fuck. I should
I
have
don't
taken
know,
that. That
that
was
I'm
my
on it.
spot. That's what I was waiting for.
That was it.
Strong rejection.
Like I don't like this hold up. You know what I mean? I
Hmm.
want a good follow through.
I'm in shorts here.
You're into.
Yeah.
What was your entry at?
63.
And then what's your stop?
My stop is 80. Um,
Okay.
might move it higher to 82. Just want some follow through here.
You're up, right?
Yeah, just like $100.
Barely. Come on, give me this fucking breakdown, bro. Hey, a live funded. That means that they're like, they, what does that mean again?
Uh, like with a prop firm,
Yeah.
that it's live money now. Basically, they take your profits and they put it into a live account, so you're no longer trading with paper money.
You're still in, right?
Mm-hmm.
Fuck, bro. I don't know, man.
Definitely won't like this fucking back and forth.
Yeah.
That's what
If
happens
we
when.
hold it here, it's we could pop right back up. We still haven't broke VWAP on SPY.
Really? Fuck. I don't
Mm-mm.
like this fucking stupid ass bouncer here. Really?
Come on, this is it. Come on.
I want this candle to get real aggressive. This little baby. Come on.
Teasing, bro. Teasing. problem is they're just tapping VWAP. They're not following through.
Yeah, I'm waiting for like a complete like flush through.
Flush through, yeah. I'll move my stop into break even basically. 372. Because if we get back up there, bro, we're pushing back.
Yeah. Do that.
Don't you dare.
Bitches, bro.
Don't
Oh
you
my god,
dare.
come on. Look at this motherfucking candle, huh? Really? What I want to see is this candle stay like down here, and then the next candle just fucking completely break through.
Oh yeah, we get, what, how many seconds?
Oh, I got 30 seconds. Let's see.
We are getting a little bit of reverse on the EMAs, which is a good sign. It's just a slow ass move.
That's the problem with getting in at 8 o'clock, bro. It's gonna be
Slow.
kind of annoying. I just want one big ass flush and I'm out, dude.
I want my Friday to be over with already. The trading day. How are you gonna start promoting your live?
I don't know. I gotta start making more videos.
Yeah. I'm down to do some podcast videos too on the market.
Shit.
Like every Sunday or something like that.
Just
Dude, I had to take this shit for as long as 30 minutes, bro.
Dude, that's the worst when you drink your coffee and then just you're sitting here in the trade and you're like, God damn, dude. That shit's just fucking turtlenecking.
Oh my god. Turtleneck is comedy.
Come on, you fucking bitches. Give me this fucking slice through.
Almost. What's your goal?
I want like 305 area. Cause 301 basically is yesterday's low. So if we get there, that's really fucking good. But we just keep fucking teasing around this area. But I do think this thing gets aggressive. I'm up 30 points right now, so I mean, I'm gonna move my stop to break even, bro. I'm not risking this shit.
Yeah.
I get a 30-point candle here on this next one, please. Just straight shot down to 300.
SPY is breaking you up, and Q is under now.
Got a minute left on this candle. Up 40 points here. Moving my stop to in the money. So this,
In the money?
yeah.
Where?
At 54.
54?
Yeah. Basically top of this candle. 'Cause if we start breaking the top of this candle, it's pretty much like reversing back up.
Yeah. So yeah.
We got 20 seconds till the next candle. Come on, baby, just give me like a fucking like nice flush down, and then we're done.
That takes it 5,900. 5,900. What do you mean? What does it mean? Take it at 5,900. Is that in Q?
That's yes, probably. Fucking pieces of shit, man. Come on. Come on, you fucks. Break the bottom of this candle.
One, 300 is probably gonna be the move. Yeah, you're right. 300. Is that yesterday's close?
Yesterday's low.
Yesterday's low.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna be the move. Are you gonna have a stop right there too? Like a take profit?
Yeah, well, I haven't put it in yet, but I don't, because I don't know how to put in a take profit after I'm in on TradeVate. I mean, on TradingView.
Oh, because you're using TradingView right now.
Yeah.
But I thought you're copy trading now.
No. Not on this account. I need this payout, bro. I don't fucking.
I feel you.
Just give me a fucking break here.
don't give me this push.
I might have to take profit here, bro. Yeah. Come on, man. You fucking little faggots. Oh. Don't take my stop. You're gonna take my stop already, no?
50, mine's at 58. Did you move yours?
Mine's at 50. Or, sorry,
55.
54.
54.
I don't like it. It's about to take it.
I think it's just a fucking sweep. This is so stupid. If they do this, I will be pissed. Because they're gonna just sweep it down, bro. You're at 54, you said?
Yeah. So close to fucking
That's fucking close. What's up, Isaiah? You're gonna mute your mic if you want to join.
Yo,
What's poppin', my G? Did you get stopped out?
yeah.
Uh-oh.
Right when I fucking posted that shit. It's all good.
Dude.
I'm still green on the day.
Yeah, fuck yeah, dude. It's my only trade I'm taking. I'm like, if we're gonna play around, gotta do some shit or something else.
I feel like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday had good normal volume off the open.
Decent off the open, but this whole month has been so shitty, bro.
Well, I kind of switched. I reduced my target profit to like only like 750, 5 to 750,
Oh, really?
just because I was just fucking, just we're not getting those clean 10-point trades that I was getting pretty consistently.
Yeah.
So I was getting stopped out a lot more.
And some of the trades weren't even happening in the beginning of the day. They're like
Well,
more like mid or something, you know, end of day.
Yeah, well, I noticed that last week, and then that's why I purposely started sleeping in. I was like, all right, fuck it. I was like,
Same.
let me just catch the last 20 minutes of the day, because it seemed like at like 12:30, 12:40, they would just get that volume, and it was clean as fuck.
I mean, I wasn't going like right at open. I was like maybe 7:30, to see how the market's reacting, and then kind of go from there. Yeah, I think they're
Yeah,
gonna push this.
but then Tuesday I woke up and I was like, okay, we actually have some clean price action off the open.
You got stops?
Yeah.
They're gonna push this, dude. Yeah, I just got stopped too. It's gonna watch it come down, though, dude. Stopped out, all out. That's still $500.
How much size are you doing on NQ?
Just one. I had a good
should've-
entry. My entry was like 75 or something like that. 372, 375. Decent entry. I just don't want to like chase this shit now. I mean, pretty much held VU up on SPY. We tested below it, but we might push back up. We break this 589 for sure. Test some highs again.
Hey, do you have bots for this server?
I do like which ones?
Well, like your 8 a.m. posts on today's episode of the Trade War. Are you typing all this shit out?
Oh, those I'm typing. I just
No
screen and
way.
type. Yeah, dude.
You
I've been doing this
you
for a minute.
articulate ass motherfucker.
I know.
You should be a fucking blogger, dog.
Bro, I've been doing this for a minute, bro. I go fast with it.
I'm like, this dude for sure has a bot or like ChatGPT
Nah,
fucking.
dude. These I have like I just want like a quick view of like Spy. It takes forever though, but like
Oh,
I
okay.
don't know if you've seen those before.
No, it pulls it from TradingView or something.
Yeah, so
Or-
like if you do forward slash and then I do C 5 minute and then like any ticker, then it gives me like a live view of where that ticker is at right now.
Damn, that's hard.
Yeah, that's pretty old school too though. When I first got Discord, I put these in.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, Discord's so fucking.
Bro, Discord is so sick. If you could know how to do shit, it's sick.
Well, just like the people that like, even for like the artists, like the DJs that have like people that put together Discord rooms, and they're just so like what they're paid, and they're like tiers of payments, like that only give you certain access. Like those are so in depth.
Yeah. I've never been into a music Discord room before. How is it?
Yeah, well, like I'm in Chris Lakes. His is cool, just very chill. There's no like tiers, but I have a friend who does like sports betting, and he sells tiers like diamond, whatever, right? But but then when you go on, okay, let's say
Yeah.
West End for example.
Yeah.
If you're paying for his, basic one, it'll have all these other channels locked of like
Yeah, yeah.
demo
Yeah, we
feedback.
have that. We have tiers for that for sure. Because we have the
Okay.
Light Pro. You're in the Pro version, so you see everything. But we do. I'm actually rebuilding this thing. Kind of like taking not take. I'm not focusing more on trading. That's gonna be like our trading corner still. I've been revamping it, but I'm gonna do a lot of building with AI, like different businesses and digital products and bro, I don't, Sheik, this is something that you might want to look into too, but do you guys know what clip farming is?
Uh,
Clip farming?
Yeah,
Nah.
bro, it's like basically these guys are clipping just um, like these streamers or like influencers or brands and stuff like that and just clipping and reposting on TikTok, clipping, posting, clipping, posting. There's no face to it. There's no anything. They're just clipping it and just like literally just posting it. And if
Getting
you
views.
get, yeah, if you get like 1 million views, 2 million views, these streamers will pay you like 10K to 25K a month. And it's basically you're just screen recording their
Content.
streams at certain because their streams are like it could be like 3 4 hours long. And
Yeah.
so if you're looking at that and then you have like a good funny moment and you could clip it and then you just post it all on your TikTok and if it gets views, that's basically that's like ads but like in a clip farm way. So
Yeah.
there's just I mean there's just a lot of and there's these like bots that are clip farming now that they look pretty real, bro. Like it's insane how much it's going towards. So I just kind of I want to start building like some different projects and stuff like that. So I'm kind of doing that in this Discord and then kind of keeping the trading separate, like with Sheik and whoever wants to come in during the morning. But it's pretty sick, dude. Pretty sick what they're doing.
Yeah, I've seen something similar with you get like those random reels on Instagram that'll be like how I became a self-made millionaire at 23 years old.
Yeah, yeah.
But it's like I'm sure I don't know if it's real, but I'm sure the idea is real. But it's that same concept of just like
That's
having
most likely.
a
Oh,
these
YouTube of just
fuckers,
clips.
man.
you dirty fucking hoe. That was the sweet, bro. We're gonna get these
Yeah,
lows. We're
they
gonna
were.
break this view off and go low.
There goes fucking bitches, dude. Seriously.
Would you get back in or not?
I want to, but I gotta see like a good spot to enter.
Oh, that was a right off that rejected that 589. That level was key on SPY, bro.
Bro, that's literally would have taken out my stop anyway. Actually, no, it wouldn't have. My initial stop.
Same. I wouldn't have taken my initial either.
There you guys go.
I don't know. I kind of like it, G.
I'm gonna wait because I don't want this to fucking bounce all the way back up.
Oh, true.
But
Maybe to the upside.
there's more volume on this than. Well, that's pretty fucking dog shit. And here comes my target.
Here's the fucking target we had, right? Oh, you
Sons of bitches.
This is 3100, but yeah, this is yesterday's low, right?
Yeah. I'll wait to see if we get a
Hop back
bounce
up.
into like 50 to 54, and we'll short it. Because the 4 hour looks like it's gonna start rolling over if you're looking at it. Wow. Come on, man.
Yeah, those are the type of things that fuck me up in chop. I was like, this shit makes no sense, bro. Like when you're short, everything looks short, and then it gets a little sweep to get everyone
Those
out.
sweeps have been fucking me up lately, bro.
Should've
I've
just,
had to I've had to readjust on those sweeps.
should've just kept our initial.
I feel like that. Yeah, lately it's really just been. Besides this week, it's been really just chop one move in like around 10 to 11, and then chop till the end of the day, and then you get that last 30 minutes.
Yeah,
It's like
exactly.
two clean moves of price action a day. This morning I woke up early. It happened out right there at 5. It's pretty
You
fluid.
trade pre-market?
I don't, but like if my body wakes me up and it's like 4, I'll just stay up so that I don't. Because if I go back to sleep, I know I'll wake up more tired.
Ah, yeah, I do the same thing.
So I just stay up. But I mean, lately we've been waking up, and it seems like all the moves are happening overnight, 3 a.m., 4 a.m.
Yeah.
What session is that? That's not London session, is it?
3 a.m. Is that cheap?
That's still London, yeah. London opens at 11
11 p.m.
PST, yeah. So 2 a.m. Eastern time.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. UVXY looks like we're bullish. VIX is bullish as well.
Bruh. This is literally what I might take profit right here.
And if you break that, you ended green though, huh? She?
150, yeah. But
Yeah.
I needed. I had 800. I should have just taken that fucking profit and just readjusted.
Yeah, same.
It is what it is. So.
So I have these numbers in front of me, man. It's crazy. Like sometimes we don't feel like this money's real, you know?
Yeah.
When you make it so easy. So when you're up 800, bro, 800 is more than six figures a year. $500 a day is six figures a year. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
I gotta
I
remember that
I
shit.
really had to check myself on that when during these choppy times because I'm like I'm aiming for the 10 to 15 points that I'm used to pulling out, and it's like I'm forcing that instead of
Yeah.
trying to just lock in 5 to 7, which is still six figures, if more or less, give or take losses.
At this point, I think
But
if we break this yesterday's low,
We're going
we
down
could target this
40.
uh two
230.
234, which is the lows of data.
273. Two, damn. 230.
First target would be like
Yeah.
280,
I have
282.
I have 240. I have a 273 as the lower band.
Yeah, I'd say 280. 280 would be like a first target.
That's if we take these out.
Yeah. This could be a bounce area too, right here. This 300.
What would what would you look at to get back in?
Um, 350 area. If we fucking, if we
For
get
bounce.
30, yeah.
I had spy puts too. I totally forgot about that. That was a really good fucking reject on that level.
I swear, if this just starts just
Dumping.
dumping without like giving us pullback, I'm gonna be fucking irritated. Yep, there it goes. So fucking annoying, man.
Just at 300 huh?
Yeah, I would be careful
If we
with
break
bounce
this,
area,
yeah,
'cause,
yeah.
this is the midpoint of that 7 a.m. candle.
We already what was that at 6:45? We reached that 235. That's what you're aiming for, right?
Yeah. Or even the pre-market low, which is 220, 225.
Oh, here we go.
It's crazy because, oh man,
It's those sweeps, bro. I'm telling you.
I should have just kept my fucking initial stuff of the 80. Never touched it. Would have been solid.
That's what I was trying to say earlier too. Is these, bro, if we got the trade talk that we did back in April, this whole market would be fucking flipped upside down. Everyone's just so like numb to it now.
Yeah.
It would be bearish, but it's like I'm still, bro. I'm still like bearish overall. I think this is kind of like a euphoria, like dead cat bounce.
Well, the weekly basically made a lower high.
Isaiah, you only trade ES or do you do NQ as well?
Um, I kind of, I just like, before you, I would trade ES and MNQ,
Mm.
but just
Oh,
the
MNQ.
huh?
MNQ? Mini
Yeah, I would trade. Well, if I would take them at the same time, yeah, I would do that. But
Oh shit.
yeah, just light. I mean, I only trade super light. It'd be like 2 or 3 MNQ and like 1 or 2 ES. But yeah, I don't know. I just have kind of gravitated to ES and the points and how many points I need for the day, to kind of make my
Yeah.
lot. It's probably quicker with 1 NQ, but
Yeah, but
it just moves so much more points. But I
yeah,
watch I
prop.
watch them both. They're stacked right on top of each other. I watch the RTH and the ETH of both.
Mm. Yeah.
I used to trade our. I used to always like to take RTY. RTY kind of prints too, only with like two big contracts.
Which one's that one?
It's the
The Russell.
the
Oh,
Russell.
Russell.
Yeah.
I think we short this dude.
You're gonna short it?
Not yet, but I'm looking for a good entry.
Yeah, I took that on ES, that break of 5,900. We just UVXY looks like it's getting over a pivot point I have here, so we should be good. Do you guys watch volatility indicators at all?
The VIX. That's about it. If that's
Yeah,
even considered one.
no, it is. Yeah, I watch them both. VIX, I think UVXY is also volatility, but I forget. Let me see. I've been watching UVXY for a while.
Is it good?
I think it's a ETF. I just watch them both. Sometimes when VIX is flat or something like that, UVXY will be the teller. I just kind of watch them both to gauge. It's basically the ETF of VIX. Yeah. So I have VIX on my TOS, and then on Ninja I watch UVXY.
You ever do options?
Huh?
You ever trade options?
No, the boys that I trade with every morning, they do though. So we kind of go back and forth.
Yeah, I do both.
I'll look at the chain in the morning just to see where everyone's sitting at. But yeah, I don't. That was like my first 2 years when I was training. I was doing options, but then I got
It's
into
definitely a
futures.
lot harder than futures for sure.
Well, it's also harder to trade in chop
Dude, it's the hardest. It's the hardest.
because then you get fucked by the fucking
Data, the Greeks.
yeah. So it's definitely more brutal. Like the other day, I scalped a quick short, but
I'm in
my
shorts
my
here at 300.
my friends were just sitting on the sideline there because there was like flat. The options were flat.
Yeah, looks good. Shit, what would be your target now? And
The lows.
I have a pivot at 21,250 on on NQ, which is pretty much where we bounced earlier. 230 to 250. How many points you guys usually hold NQ for?
to take profit or to have a stop.
Yeah, like if you were you had a good entry. What's your target
I
usually?
want to say like I try to pay
I
attention
got
more
stopped out.
to. You did? I try to pay attention more to the actual like levels that I have, like the main levels, and try to stay with it. But if I'm up like 1500, I'll definitely start considering it.
Yeah, especially if it's chopping around or something.
Yeah. What? Yeah, I try to stay um, at a certain range, and then try to like not like for my stop. I'll try to be like at least 20, 30 points.
Yeah, level to level is definitely something I learned too. I used to try and hold like
Yeah,
I used to try and hold like maybe two or three points past maybe like a pivot to VWAP or something, and then it bounces that VWAP and I write it back to break even.
yeah,
But
exactly.
that's just my fucking me putting my wants on the market.
Yeah. I kind of like it right here, Sheik.
Hmm. I don't like this. These two candles both holding.
That 300 range.
And Q's coming back into the 9 EMA.
See a push.
Right here at 230, 330.
We're right back at VWAP too for SPY. If this does it for the rest of the day, I'm done. Take my ass to the gym. So if we could reject the AMA and VWAP. You got any shows this weekend? Is it?
Yeah, bro. I'm closing out Academy tomorrow, bro.
Oh, that's right. That's right, bro. That's huge.
Yeah, dog. It's gonna be definitely a fucking
You're closing out?
yeah, bro.
That's amazing.
I'm not shitting bricks. I'm ready, but I've just been tripping on because like end of the night, 2 a.m. They're not selling liquor anymore. It's like you got to come in hot, especially after someone
Yeah.
playing 150.
Are they who's in front of you?
So 4B.
Oh shit.
And they booked me for a house, and I was like, okay, but I'm not playing fucking tech house, bro. Which is
Yeah.
fine. Like back when I played at Circle, I was playing bass house and shit, so I'm familiar with that shit. But
Damn. And they do 150?
yeah, dude, 4B is he's Jersey, bro. He's like he does shit
Yeah.
that he does Jersey, and then he does obviously trap and shit.
Yeah.
But it was actually pretty crazy, bro. I feel like I manifested this shit because I was trying to figure out how to get into time, and I wanted to get into exchange and academy, and all in the matter of 2 weeks, maybe like 4 weeks ago, bro. I got in contact with time, then I got in contact with the talent booker from that does the LA venues.
You just met him somewhere, or how'd you get in
Uh,
contact?
just to the girl from Time. She's a stage manager. She followed me. She's like, "Send me your EPK. I'm gonna get her. I'm gonna send it to our booking team." And then, um, I met a girl at Club Space, bro, that works for Wasserman Group.
In Miami?
Yeah, dude.
Oh
We
shit.
we met on the dance floor at like fucking 8 in the morning, bro. And long story short, she calls me. She's like, "Hey, Bobby's looking for house acts for his show in LA." She's like, "I threw your name in the hat," and there was four names. And then she called me again. She's like, they narrowed it down to 2. They really like you and the person that's playing direct support.
Damn, that's good, bro. That's
Dude.
amazing.
So then at that time though, I was already talking to Bloom about direct support for Deeper Purpose. And then 4B's team hit me up and I was like, fuck, bro.
Like I gotta take it, bro. I
Well,
gotta
that's what
take
I
it.
told him. Well, okay, so check this out though. So I was gonna take them both, bro, because then I had choice between Torn Foot the weekend before or Deeper Purpose. But then when I brought it up, the guy that books talent at Bloom, he's also a DJ. When I brought it up to him, he's like, "No chance. You have to pick one. You can't pick two. We don't ever book support that close." But then
Oh shit.
I was just lurking socials, and the guy that played direct support for Torn Foot played Exchange the day before.
Oh
So I was like,
shit.
what the fuck? Is this fool?
Yeah.
Did this fool lie to me because he's like
Yeah.
jealous or like?
Yeah.
So I'm after the show. I'm not gonna bring it up to him. I'm gonna bring it up to the LA talent booker. I'm like, hey, just for future reference, like, am I allowed to take bookings that close with you guys? Because I was told there's no chance.
Yeah. Damn. Do you make your own certain playlist for each event, or you kind of
Yeah. Well, yeah. So depending on it really depends on the slot time, what the vibe is. So obviously, like Brussels, I'm doing a lot more like tech and deeper house and shit.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I've played harder shit at Brussels, but you know, I'm not playing fucking bass house and shit. The bassiest house I'll do at Brussels is like Odd Mob.
Oh yeah.
But
Yeah.
yeah, just depending on the vibe. So like with this one, it's like the first intros is what people are gonna be like. All right, do we stay or do we leave? Because
Yeah.
we can't buy liquor. It's 2 a.m. Like, so I gotta come in fucking hot and just keep people there, bro.
Yeah.
But I had early in my career, I had that experience as a young DJ where wasted. We had a show in LA at Belasco, and it was Dr. Fresh and fucking Bijou, and they were fucking ripping it, bro. And me and my boy played bass house at the time, and we ended up keeping everyone there till 3 a.m., bro. It was fucking sick.
Oh, fuck.
One of my pictures on my page has it. And we were mixing on CDJ 1000s, bro, where you had to call the fucking cue points.
Shit.
Brutal. I don't have any more AA, bro. If you want to come out, I can add you in a +1 to guest list, though, for GA.
For Saturday?
Yeah, it's up to you.
Yeah, let me.
Since we're talking.
I'm playing Leander's
Oh, yeah, with Chase?
with Chase, yeah. But I'll definitely hit
Well,
you
actually,
up after or something. Like,
yeah.
I don't know what time that ends.
Well, yeah, it's today's Friday, right? If you want the guest list spots, the 2 you can have them, but you would have to let me know before 3:30 because I have to submit it by 4.
Today. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me talk to him.
Because
Definitely
definitely what?
the next one, like for sure. I want to
Oh,
come
yeah.
see you at a big one.
What's cool too is like usually I've had friends that played support for at Academy and stuff, and I mean any club, obviously they're not going to give you full visuals, but because I'm playing
yeah.
after the headliner, I'm gonna have full Academy visuals and
That's sick.
sound, bro.
That's sick. That's sick. That's sick.
Yeah,
You
it's
gonna
gonna
bring a camera guy or something?
yeah, I'm getting playing multicam. So it's one of those ones you
Last
gotta.
one was crazy, bro. I played at that 237 spot.
Where's that at?
It's like Brussels.
Oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, I did see that, dude. I saw that the day of, and I was like, "Fuck, bro! I wish I would have saw this sooner."
Yeah, it was so sick. It was cool because it's like more Afrobeat, Latin, but I'm kind of playing like Clooney, Hugo type style. You know what I mean? So it was
Yeah,
fun.
just chill.
Chilling. Probably kept it like 126, 128 the most.
Yeah.
And then,
No, it's definitely a good vibe there for sure.
Definitely a fun vibe. And then, but that was Saturday. And then we played. Do you know who Brent is?
No, what's his last? Or is he a DJ?
Yeah, backcourts Brent.
Okay.
We went to his place after, and we just stayed up till like fucking 4. Then I went back to Anaheim. And then I got hit up to do a yacht party
Oh yeah, I
on
did see that. Next day, right?
yeah, the next day, and I was like, fucking, I was gonna go to a day trip. I was gonna go see Athena, a day trip, and just kind of go backstage and go like that. But I was like, man, how many yacht parties are we gonna, like you got to take that shit when it comes. So
Yeah, for sure.
my buddies always like invited me, and I was like, you know what, fuck it, let's do that. So we went there, and bro, it was like a Ibiza type vibe. There was probably like 6, 7 dudes, and then the rest of them were all badass.
Yeah, I did see
Oh,
that shit. Like that shit look fucking popping, especially if
It
you
was
can, if
lit,
it's a big enough boat to take decks and stuff.
bro. It was like a three story, and we
Yeah,
brought
that's
the decks on the
crazy.
very top. That was
Yeah,
the
bro.
hardest part. Bringing the decks was the hardest part, but
Yeah,
it was worth it for sure.
yeah, but those days, bro. Like if I don't know how close you are with Athena, but if you get those days where someone's playing and you can get AA, man, dude, you need to take those fucking
I know that's the
those
thing
days up,
too.
bro. You
Yeah,
and just you literally never. The only reason why I got booked at Bloom Bros because my homie Gio, he's already a touring DJ. He does hard dance. But in the lead, I didn't know that who the booking person was. But
yeah.
anyways, during the middle of his set, I go back to the green room because I was a little hot. And then I'm just sitting there and I start chopping it up with the liaison who was getting all the rider and shit ready. And just we had a good conversation just about music. And I was like, yo, I was like, so how do you get booked here? Like, who does bookings? And he's like, me. I was like,
Oh
okay,
damn.
fuck yeah. And
No, it
then,
definitely is worth it, bro, for the networking
bro,
for sure.
and then whatever. He gave me the contact email. He did hit me up. Geo plays again. That was in January last year. Geo plays again in July. I wasn't gonna go, and then they called me and their boys, and they're like, "Yo, why don't you come in? Like, stop being a bitch." So it's like at 7 p.m., bro. They're like, "We just listed you. Like, come." So I drove to San Diego. I was like, "Whatever. Let me go rekindle this, relationship." Had I not gone that time, bro, he hit me up 3 weeks later, and so I got my first booking at Bloom, first Insomniac show.
Bloom is in SD,
Yeah,
or where's that at?
it's a basement. It's remodeled basement. I don't know if you ever
SD's
went to a
fun, bro.
basement.
I haven't played SD yet.
Yeah, and that's where all my family's at. So it being my first Insomniac show and all my family seeing me for the first time, like, well, my parents, not my sisters, but it was it was a moment, bro. It was really cool.
Sheik, I'm in shorts here, bro.
you're in?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
What's your stuff?
Fuck, dude. Above 33, 333.
Let's see.
I got in at 316. I just like the rejection on the EMAs, and we're coming back down, bringing that lower low.
Yeah, I was waiting for us to get over 50 and then reject, but it's had a matter of waiting for that.
It was basically at 50.
So it was at, yeah, it was at
But
40.
you wanted at 50.
I was looking for 54, to be honest.
Uh, let's see. I'm not even gonna rate this. This might be it though. Let's stop at 333. 33425. 300. Back up to 800 total for the day.
This is gonna be the one that goes.
It might be, bro. It might be. Hopefully. At least come on, like give me something, bro. Like give me a 70. Give me a 270 on NQ. I'll be fine.
270. Oh yeah, for sure. I'm pretty sure it'll go back to 21 or 250.
I think so too. I'm not trying to be too greedy. I'm like and then I'm just trying
250.
to get out of here already too, bro. I'm like
Yeah, for sure. For sure, if you're green after this trade, I'd walk. 'Cause you're just
I'm
gonna be
definitely
playing
gonna be
spot.
green. I'm definitely not gonna have it actually I'm gonna wait a little longer before I put it in stop. But I'm up 800 right now. I should not end red.
Yeah, the IB low's 235. Pivot point I have is at 250. Should be gooch. You have a futures course in here that you teach people like how to trade futures?
Like we have a webinar and stuff that we've done. I haven't done really a course. I'm kind of like against all that stuff sometimes.
Yeah. I
Um,
just, I just have people hit me up, bro, and it's like I unfortunately my mentor is not a mentor anymore, so
hmm. I'm
his
down
email.
to like, bro, if you bring them in, I'll give you affiliates and stuff like that. And I just want like a tight group too. You know, like people who are willing to learn. And
Yeah.
some of these people they just try to get rich
Quick.
quick, and
Well,
you know they're
that's
just like
yeah,
not about it, bro. It's a fucking
a grind.
it's a grind. It's an art. It's a fucking very very difficult thing to learn over time. It's more of emotions than anything handling that.
People usually hit me up, and then once I give them a whole rundown, right? I usually just like give them I'll give them a book to start with. I'm like,
Yeah.
um,
Yeah, that's a good way to start. Like if you could prove that you could finish this book, then
yeah,
we're on to something. You
they're
know,
onto something. So
yeah.
I send them the first book that got me into options was Understanding Options by Michael Sincere. Great book.
Oh yeah.
Like gave me the entire rundown of like just the functionality of the options market.
Yeah.
So I send them Understanding Stocks. I was like, let me know
Oh
once you finish this book,
yeah.
you know, and then we'll talk. Because I'm not gonna
Yeah.
give you this whole fucking rundown and then you realize
You
how fucking
do.
hard it is.
And how many times I've gone on like Zoom, give them like a 2 hour speech, and then
All right, man, I'll
doesn't
think about
happen.
it. You're like, okay,
Well,
fuck you.
yeah, they're like they're in the Discord already, so they're like paying for something already. It's just like I'm
Okay.
trying to help, you know, push their grind up. That one book that I shared with you, Sheik is the one who gave me that one. What
Which
was
one?
that book, Sheik? That
Mental game of trading.
Mental Game of Trading.
Where?
It's a
Oh,
really good one.
where did you share that one with me?
I shared that on IG.
Okay. I think it might be in my notes.
Um,
Definitely, yeah. I did trading in the zone. All the ultimate day traders.
Even the Audible, I don't know if you got Audible or not, but I just like listening to that when.
Yeah. Yeah, it's crazy. Like podcasts, I love audibles, but I think with books, like I'd love to have physical copies because I like to like highlight and shit.
I do both.
But I
Like if
definitely
I
go
buy a
through.
book, like if I buy something on Audible, I'm buying the book too.
Yeah. I mean, Audible, you're getting through it quicker. You know, I feel like you listen like a
Yeah,
podcast. I'm really retaining info. You know, but it's like I want to have the physical book.
exactly.
Maybe I could just buy the books and listen to them, and then
Well, that's what
just
I
have
do.
them like, yeah, I read that book, but I just listened to it.
No, I buy the book and listen, like read and listen at this.
Oh,
So
okay,
it's kind of
okay.
like I'm kind of capturing both. I don't know. It's weird.
Yeah, I'm reading Trade Like a Casino right now, and that's pretty much my only trading book I'm reading right now. I try to read. I got like halfway through Trading Psychology, but it's just so
It's a tough
fucking
one.
long.
Yeah.
Plus, the guy just like tells. He just constantly is telling
That's a whole ass
stories.
like fucking educational course, bro, at UCLA. Like that's a fucking semester.
Psychology.
Yeah, like literally. I don't like this fucking bounce back up though, sweet.
Mhm.
Yeah, I had a guy in the last couple months. We had a really deep conversation, and he's like, "Wow, this is really interesting." And then we followed back up a couple weeks later, and he's like, "Yeah, man." He's like, "I think I'm gonna buy one of these courses. Hopefully, make some money over the next year, and then I'll be able to quit my job." I'm like, "Yeah, buddy. Good luck."
Like there's definitely people out there that like make shit ton of money, but when you look and see how long they've been in the game, you're like, nah, it's not.
That's, I mean, that's what keeps me here because like I follow all these big guys, you know, and
Yeah.
then they're like, yeah, I didn't become profitable until year, and I'm like, dude, fuck yes, that shit fires me up, bro. I'm like, year 5,
Sheik,
you're
who do you
sick.
think you're the biggest profitable guy? You know,
Me?
Who do I think the biggest?
Sheik.
Uh,
Uh, shit. Just from purely trading?
Yeah.
Mm, I've
I got
seen
stopped out.
like personally, or like just like seeing.
that you see.
That
I'd
you've
say
seen,
that you
or
see.
yeah,
Yeah.
you've seen.
There's a guy on Twitter named Ant. He's super against like discords and uh, and selling courses and shit like that.
Hmm.
He said he used to have a Discord, but he said he's tired of like the 100K a year he was making from Discord wasn't worth him like having people constantly like question his shit. Like
Yeah.
you get one loss, everybody's like, oh, you're fake or whatever. But he's just purely like he swings. He's more of a swing trader, but he's active on day trading as well. So his biggest, he'll find like big spots and take like big positions, like 6-figure positions, and he'll post like his actual like um, statements and stuff. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's dope.
I feel like a lot of the biggest guys that I see are the fucking forex guys, but I think it's because they leverage.
I don't trust
I
You know,
anyone with Forex,
I
dude,
never got
honestly.
into forex. Yeah.
Like, well, because like there's people like Lambo Rawl. I feel like he's pretty transparent, but he trades CFDs of indexes, so he trades index futures, but on forex. If that makes sense.
Index
So like
futures on forex. Oh,
so he'll
so
trade like
futures. Then you're
he
saying?
trades futures. Yeah, he'll trade Nas 100 and US 30, which is the Dow,
Hmm.
but they're futures products just on the forex market, like they're called CFDs.
Yeah.
But they're able to leverage, like they can leverage 20x or 5x. They have tighter stops with their brokers and stuff, but with the margin.
I'm a
But
little racist towards Forex people.
why?
I
Just
I know
personal experience.
I know people in Forex in like real life, and most of them are fucking scammers, dude. And they're a
Yeah.
certain demographic.
Well, yeah, definitely scammer. Definitely get that vibe too. Definitely scammers.
Okay, I'll just say
And a certain demographic.
every Forex person I see on TikTok or in real life that's like showing like 6 figures, none of their shit makes sense, and then they're black.
Yeah.
So
Bro, that was like that. That was like that. That was the Drewski fucking skit. Did you see that? The Drewski forex.
no, but I could tell. But no, I'm telling you, I've known people.
He said they're scammers and they're black. Hey, no hate.
No,
But, I mean,
and they're not
I
just.
feel
I
you.
think some of them, a lot of them are like Nigerians, dude. Like actual like fucking scammers who were born and raised scammers.
Yeah.
Like the Nigerian
Yeah.
princes, you know.
I get tired of hearing all those like all on Instagram trading is ICT fair value gap type like
That's honestly
that's
that's what I've been using, but
really
but
like just the promo for it is just
yeah.
constant fair value gap, and I'm like, it's like all these chads making videos like
So when I look at their fair value gaps, I'm trying to understand what they're seeing, and to me it's they call it fair value gap, but to me it's just like a engulfing candle with with no retracement. So like between candle 1 and 3, you want like a giant engulfing candle to go through. So like the gap between the first and the third candle is significant, and then eventually it comes back in to test that, and that's where you would take your entry at. So they just have different names for it, dude. Like they call it the turtle soup shit that they use. That it's literally just a fucking liquidity sweep and reversal. So I mean, they can have all these fancy names for it, but these fucking things have been around for forever, you know?
yeah, for sure.
So that's why I watched some of them. There's one guy, Jade Cap, who just took the biggest Apex payout of all time. He had $3 million payout verified. I think they banned him from Apex after that, which is something Apex does now.
What?
Apex
Just
is
because they got a big payout?
Apex is
Yeah.
so fucking shitty. I don't know why people continue to support
So
Apex.
they right now they just sent out a bunch of like emails saying that like certain people aren't allowed to buy any more evaluation accounts. Um,
What?
so there was Jade Cap that got a $3 million payout, and some Indian dude named Mumbar or something. He got like a 1 point something million. And that Mumbar guy, he's not like he doesn't have a big social media presence. So they were holding his payout. They weren't paying him out. So he contacted I think Jade Cap because Jade Cap has like he has a big YouTube channel and everything. Like he's legit. So they paid him out. So Jade Cap started blasting Apex like, yo, like this guy has a payout. You guys are not. It's pending because he doesn't have a big footprint. You know, he's not. He doesn't have affiliate links and all that stuff. He's not posting on social media. They finally caved in and paid him out. And then they just sent out like a mass email to like a lot of traders saying they're banned from buying any more evaluation accounts. So, yeah.
Why did they ban them though? Just because they did good?
Yeah,
Like
so
obviously
like,
that's the opposite of their business model. Is like,
well,
oh
they,
shit.
yeah, exactly. Cause like, dude, they paid out like $5 million in one, a month. So like, if you ever notice, Apex will give a big payout, and then they'll if you go on their promo, they'll advertise a fucking 90% off sale for evals. If you ever see that, that means they just did a big fat payout, so they're trying to make their money back. They'll advertise, oh, this dude just got a $3 million payout, and then here's a 90% off link. There's gonna be a million Blakes that buy that shit. And people aren't buying one account on Apex. They're buying like 20 accounts because they want to be like that trader. So they want to copy trade, and then you blow 20 accounts. That's a big fucking. It's a big.
Yeah. Damn, that's crazy. That's crazy that they would ban you just from doing good.
Yeah. Yeah, it's
I want to get to that level. I want you to ban me just because I fucking made $3 million.
That's why a lot of people are like Tradeify is ran by Brett Simba. He has a very strict payout cap per payout. Say that's why FFF is following them. They want to be long term, so they try to move people to live as soon as they can. So if you get like 3, 4, or 5 payouts in a row, I hear they're pretty quick to move you to live because
then you're making them money.
exactly
That end.
exactly. I want to take a short here, dude.
That makes sense. So like if that guy made 300, they're taking
Yeah.
they're taking 3 million, they're taking a profit off of that.
Yeah,
What do they take, like 80%, 70%, 20%, 30%?
10%. I think we
10%.
break 300 here. Fuck. Should have fucking got in. I had my shit set up, but I didn't take it. This 300 level though is really, really, really.
Brutal. What's up, Tony Tom?
Okay, where's the slice? I really want to fucking. There's no volume though on this slice too, which is weird.
Ooh.
I swear to God, if this thing just sells all the way 80 points off right now without giving me an entry, I'm just gonna fucking call it a day, dude.
Ooh.
Yeah, see what I mean? You got stopped out, huh?
No, I'm in.
I thought you, motherfucker, dude. You say you got stopped out, bro.
I did, but I got back in.
When the homie takes a trade without telling you.
Right.
And he calls us gatekeepers.
No, bro.
Absolutely.
I don't want to mess up anything with Sheik right now. He's 2 days away from fucking his payout. I got in at 329.
Wow. You see this shit? This is the fucking fucker I'm talking about, bro. Like,
You can't tell which one's gonna be the one to go.
Yeah.
You
just
can
kinda-
try and you just keep getting stopped out, and then by the time you get frustrated and done, that candle goes. You're not alone, brother.
I might exit here soon though, because that's a big handle.
Vix just came to life. I mean, I feel like you couldn't
bro, the thing is,
do
like,
what you want,
Run
but
a
I feel
little
like
bit.
Yeah, I mean Spy. I have a big level right here at 587 on Spy that it broke. So as long as we just let the
Yeah.
5 minute close at least.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
ES is coming into a swing anchor VWAP though from 5 days ago though.
We just filled the which is the fair value gap that people love.
Uh huh.
We filled it, the 7 a.m. fair value gap. That was a big candle. There was a
That was
reason we
it,
were
right there?
fucking yeah, this is the fill right here. So it I don't know if you're still watching on YouTube, but the 7 a.m. candle on the 5 minute,
Mm-hmm.
we tested into that like to the 50% of that like 3 times we bounced, and we finally sold through it. So basically,
Wouldn't it fill that 254 or no?
the fair value gap technique goes from the 650 55 candles top, the wick top, to the wick of the 705 candle. So that's what they consider fair value gap. Because there's basically an imbalance. There was no like basically the price moved so quick that there was no like retracement or nothing. It's leaving orders to be placed in here. It could still bounce here, you know, because it's still holding it. It hasn't closed.
30 seconds till this candle closes.
Yeah. I want to see it close like right here, and then a pop up and then a rejection.
Nah, we don't need a pop up right now.
He's a yo-yo chill.
What's your entry?
329.
329. Oh, I don't think it's not gonna. It shouldn't pop up to there. When I say pop up,
Damn,
I
yeah.
mean like 300.
That's a fire ass entry.
Yeah.
That's really good. I was playing with the EMAs. That's why.
Yeah. I have a 20. Nice. Yeah, see we broke. Spy opened.
I was trying to.
Spy open below.
I have a 586, 0.4 big level on spy.
Boom. Come on, baby.
You guys are both in or what?
Nah, I'm just rooting for the homie.
Yeah.
I got stopped out like 4 times.
Get these lows, we'll be good. If we get this 50 low, we'll be good. Time's at 9:21.
Mm-hmm.
Are you in Riverside right now, Danny?
I'm in Riverside right now. Holding the fort down over here. My parents they're in Arizona for probably the remainder of the year.
I'm about to go DJ at Armand's gym in a few.
Oh, dude, you.
Is that not me,
Whose
dude?
gym is that?
Armand? You met him.
Yeah, I met him.
You know him, right?
I don't know.
Big buff, bald Armenian dude.
Yeah, I know. Like, I've heard of him.
Okay.
In Glendale or Hollywood?
I mean, he's in Hollywood a lot, but now he's
He's an OC.
he's an OC. Yeah,
There's another
He has his
guy.
own gym, right?
yeah. He owns Self-Made in Costa Mesa.
That's what it is. Yeah.
There's another Armenian dude that owns a gym, but he moved his shit to Florida. His name
See,
is,
look, there we go, baby. Right to 250.
That was my entry.
Did you get out of that?
I'm out.
Yeah.
I'm out.
Yeah, get out.
I got
Two-
250. I'm out.
Fuck.
The
That was it.
4 hours low. 4 hours rolling over now, guys. Breaking previous day low. The target on the 4 hour, 142. That's what I'm looking at.
Danny, the bottom one is NQ. That was what I was telling you. God damn.
Oh yeah, that was that. Yeah, that was right there.
S1 was 250, so that's what I was telling you. 250. That S1 pivot.
Oh yeah,
What a fucking beauty.
that was a great one. It's gonna keep going. Why?
Nah, fuck that.
Oh yeah, I'm good. I'm
Yeah,
good. But I'm just saying that's
let me
my luck.
let me fix your mental real quick. $1,500 is 30K a month. It's
Yeah,
360K
no,
a year.
I'm good.
You're
I'm
done.
good. I'm good. I am good.
What day are you
I was
on?
right.
You know,
Huh?
is that day one or day two?
Um, one
One.
now.
Nice.
Yeah, just passed this one. This is a new one. I was gonna go straight to fund it on
Tradify?
Tradify because they had that.
How
They
much
had
is it
that
right now?
deal going on. Fuck.
Because honestly, I feel like that
It
shit's
was it
worth
was
it.
it was 40% off, bro.
The only thing is with their straight to fund it, it's like a 20% consistency rate.
Did you ever try to take profit?
No, I haven't. I think I
Bro,
just
you
don't like.
need.
I had take profit. I fucked up on the first day of my funded because I forgot it was live trailing.
Yeah, well,
That's the only thing that
that
scares me,
is the
bro. Is the
only thing. Yeah,
fucking the live trailer. That's the only thing.
in this market, the choppiness market is the only thing that shit fucks me
Yeah,
up. It
yeah,
it trails your live account trails. Your test doesn't trail. But once you
Yeah.
get past the threshold, then it goes to end of day. So you just need to get past that threshold and scalp, and then you're golden, bro.
Yeah, and then it's daily payouts.
Wait, once you get past the threshold, what do you
So
mean?
like on a 50K account, you need to get past 2,000. If you're say you're pro, you pass
Uh
the
huh.
test,
Uh
you need
huh.
to get past 2,000. So in that 2,000, it's trailing you unrealized. So you just scalp until you get past 2,000,
Uh huh.
and then you can't afford you can't afford like 15 points in your direction, and then it pulls back. Like that'll fuck your drawdown.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
like
But
Apex. Yeah.
once you're past the 2,000, then all of anything above that 2,000 is trails you end of day. So the trailing live goes away.
Mm.
But
Oh, it does.
just
Okay.
no consistency rules, no fucking 5 days for your payout, no payouts on the 15th and the 30th. Like you could just pay out whenever the fuck you want.
Yeah. The only other one I like is Top Step as well, but I just don't like the um, what's it called? There's $150 activation fee.
Yeah, right now our take profit with the 30% off. New test for 50K is 119,
Yeah,
and
that's
then you
not
have a
bad.
month. So if you fail, say you pass or say whatever, you have to reset at day 5. The reset's only $100, so you can
Yeah,
reset for a whole month for $100 and still have that discount code applied, the 30% off, and you don't pay any activation fee. You go straight into a pro account once you pass.
Yeah.
15's nice.
Okay, well, I'm done. I'm about to go hit the gym. I gotta take a shit too. I've been holding this one in.
So I've been holding this one.
Bro,
I
this
probably won't
fucking
be here
shot's
Monday though.
crazy.
Just letting you know.
No?
Now we got our ultrasound to go to, so
Oh, nice, dude. Nice. You're gonna find that. That's when you find. No, you don't find
nah,
out, right?
nah. We're only at 10 weeks, I think.
10 weeks before you have a small little Tony Tone. That's fucking crazy.
No, we're 10 weeks in. We got we got a whole 6 months to go. 6, 7 months.
That's gonna be crazy. Good shit, bro. Hey, good. Hey, thanks for coming in, Isaiah. Appreciate you, man. Come in
Yeah.
anytime, bro. It's always
Yeah,
good.
no, absolutely.
All right,
I need
guys. I appreciate you guys. You guys have a good weekend. I'll text you. I have your number. I do have your number. Yeah. Bro, you're gonna kill it this weekend though, too, bro.
Yeah, just let me know. I'm doing a content. I'm gonna announce. I have 5, so I'm doing a giveaway. I'm gonna announce 3 at 12. But if you don't come, I'll give away 2. But
Okay.
they're
I'll let
yours.
you know, probably an hour. Oh,
Motherfuckers,
damn.
dude.
Damn.
Yeah,
I waited
and
for
no
this
pressure
move
if you
all
can't.
fucking day, dude, and
For
this is
sure.
what they do, huh?
Yeah, we're dumping now. If you look at the 4 hour, bro.
I'm telling you, 4 hour target is 140 for me.
4 hour looks bearish. God
Definitely
damn,
looks
bro.
bearish. Definitely looks bearish. Spy, everything. We
20
could go into the
points.
weekend going bearish.
All right, I'll catch you guys.
We
Bye,
sweat
brother.
pre-market low right now. Let's see if it fucking. this is okay, dude. I should have gotten that 300. There's 100 points right there, bro.
That was what you were waiting
Okay,
for,
bro.
too, bro.
Literally.
Dude.
I told you we'd reach these lows, dude.
Oh, you did.
Man.
You 4 hours. I was surprised you didn't get back in on those.
Dude, I wanted to, but I was waiting for 300 to clear, but once 300 cleared, it never fucking gave me a good fucking. Look, oh my fucking god! Here goes 140, bro.
Damn.
My 4-hour target's about to fucking hit. Sons of fucking bitches, dude. What a bunch of fucking assholes.
Yeah. Dude, you know what's even crazier? I had SPY puts at $2.
They're probably like 7 right now.
Yeah. Oh wait, actually, yeah. Let me check.
Dude, this is so stupid, bro. No fucking type of entry, nothing for me. I was trying to get to, because Monday would be my 5th day technically, and I would have been able to get paid out Tuesday, but it's looking like I probably won't get paid till next Tuesday.
Fuck, I should have went with that, bro. I should have went with that.
This thing's going straight to fucking 133.
583. What is there anything that came out?
Calendars. Boston speaking, I think. Fed speaking. Bro, this is so fucking dumb, dude. Wow. Yeah, this is fucking bullshit, dude. I literally fucking. See if Boston is saying anything stupid.
I just see U.S. plans a wider China tech sanctions with subsidiary crackdown.
Diamond says we were quite prepared for rates going 5%.
Yeah, J.P. Morgan is you're going to see a crack in the bond market. It's going to happen. We will not panic when it happens.
Bro,
We'll probably make a lot of money.
God, man, this is so fucking retarded. And if I get a short here, it's gonna
Oh,
bounce.
you can't get a short here.
There's
Yeah,
no
you
way.
can't get a short here. There's no fucking way.
Watch this reverse here. It literally just tapped that 4-hour target. Watch. And it's still breaking.
Holy.
Bro, why can't we ever get these fucking moves, dude?
I wasn't. I just my consistency level would have been.
Oh yeah. No, I would have taken profit too if I was in your position. It's just fucking so stupid that like.
I wish I was on the put side right now.
Bro, I literally
put.
haven't. There's literally no pullback in here. We just sold off 150 points with not a single like significant pullback.
Alright, I really gotta take a shit. I'll hit you up a little later. Let's see if you're still on or something like that.
Dude, this is so fucking gay.
Dude, this is dumping. Holy.
Now I'm looking for literally if this keeps continuing, I think 21,000. We sweep 21,007. I mean 20,974. That's the daily swing lows. Technically, if you want the wick, it's 725, but I don't know if we'll get that far. Bro, this is actually fucking frustrating. Like actually frustrating, not even being in it, or not even able to take a piece of it. Bro, this is what is this? Like it's just straight fucking knife, bro.
There has to be something going on.
It's large volume too. It's not like it's fucking.
I think it's China.
Think so?
I think that I'm getting big headlights now. Plans to wider China tech sanctions with subsidiary crackdown. Has to be China. Oh shit!
Bro, this is actually fucking stupid, man. Like, what are you supposed to do on this? Like, there's not a single fucking.
You were supposed to get in earlier. That was what we were supposed to do.
Yeah, I know, but.
Oh, those 350s, bro. It wouldn't break. When I realized that the 48 wasn't breaking, I just shredded my last shot. That was my last shot, though. That was literally my last
I've. Can this be the fucking bounce, please?
Oh no! If you get a bounce though, you're not even what's.
You're gonna be too scared. I'm gonna be too
Yeah,
scared to
bro.
fucking
I'm saying,
jump
dude.
in, dude.
Oh shit!
If we can get to this 200, 210, that's another. That would be a great fucking spot.
Are you gonna stay on?
I'm trying to see if we get any type of fucking.
I'll be right back.